AI is replacing jobs left and right. It can write your emails, crunch your numbers, and automate your tasks. But AI will never replace the one skill that makes or breaks your career. It's your ability to perform under pressure. Because no matter how advanced technology gets, there will always be moments where it's just you. The boardroom, a meeting, the negotiation, the tough conversation. And in those moments, your credibility, not your code, decides the outcome, right? Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm a human performance strategist and creator of the CLEAR method. It's a system that trains professionals to stay calm, think clearly, and lead with confidence when the stakes are high. Today, I'm going to show you why performance under pressure is one skill that AI cannot replace and how you can start training for it right now. So let's go over some 3 core points that are really important when it comes to your delivery, to keep you composed and confident, and things that AI cannot replace. So point number 1 is AI can't regulate your nervous system. It just can't. In high stakes moments, your nervous system gets totally hijacked. And I think you all know what I mean. Your voice shakes, your mind blanks out, your presence fades, you get those sweaty palms, right? It's just an uncomfortable situation. And AI can't regulate your breath, it can't calm your body, and it cannot protect your authority for you, right? That's human performance in action. And that's something that's, believe it or not, trainable. And most people are not born with it. So it's not something that you're broken. A second point is AI can't earn trust in the room. So trust is built in the way that you carry yourself under pressure. That eye contact, your tone, your confidence, right? AI can provide all of the information you might need for that meeting or for that conversation, but only you can provide the presence and the way it's delivered. And presence is what gets you promoted. It's what gets you funded. It gets you respected. So it's the way that you communicate. I've talked a lot about that on some other videos where sometimes 7% of the time, your words matter. So you could get that 7% from AI, but it's all about your tone, your body cues, and just the way that you convey yourself that can make it or break it for you. Point number 3 is AI can't bounce back from failure. So every leader faces some setbacks, right? We've all been there. The difference between those who rise and those who stall is resilience. AI doesn't recover. It just recalculates, right? It's like our GPS. But humans can turn stress into strength, and that's the edge when you learn and you know how to do it. So here's the takeaway here. AI is a powerful but yet not human tool. Not yet, right? I think they're trying to bring it as human as possible, right? But there are human actions, interactions, our tone, the way we convey our message, that AI cannot take away. The people who thrive in this new world aren't the most technical, believe it or not. I know that might feel strange. It might feel like, I don't know if I'm technical enough to know how to use all these AI tools. But the ones who are on top are the ones who perform under pressure when it counts. And it feels like it always counts, right? And if you're ready to build that edge, I've put together the CLEAR Method Blueprint. It's a guide that you could go through to really put together your game plan when it comes to battering down the stress, gaining that clarity, composure, and some tips to keep the stress at bay so that you can communicate that message that you want to in the way in the manner and the tone that you'd like to as well. So you could grab it right now. I'll put the link in the description below, because when AI is doing the tasks, your ability to stay calm, clear, and credible is what will set you apart. So thanks for watching this video. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. And remember, AI can't replace leadership under fire, so train your edge with the CLEAR method. And we'll see you all next time.